Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're in the market for a budget-friendly smartphone that doesn't skimp on features, the TCL K33 5G Prepaid might just be what you're looking for. In this video, we'll dive into its specs, performance, and whether it's worth your hard-earned cash. Device overview. First off, let's talk about the price. The TCL K33 5G is available for just $39.99 at Verizon Prepaid stores. That's an incredible deal for a 5G-capable device. This phone comes in a sleek, space gray color and offers 64 gigabytes of internal storage. It also features a 6.75-inch HD Plus Next Vision display, delivering vibrant visuals for all your media needs. Camera performance. For photography enthusiasts, the TCL K33 5G doesn't disappoint. It boasts a 13-megapixel hybrid rear camera with a macro mode, allowing you to capture detailed close-ups. There's also a 2-megapixel depth lens for portrait shots and a 5-megapixel front camera for selfies and video calls. Battery life. Worried about battery life? The TCL K33 5G is equipped with a 5010 mAh battery, ensuring you stay powered throughout the day. Whether you're streaming videos, browsing the web, or chatting with friends, this phone has got you covered. Security features. Security is a priority with the TCL K33 5G. It offers face unlock and a fingerprint sensor, providing multiple options to keep your data safe and secure. Etware and performance. Running on Android 15, the TCL K33 5G offers a clean and customizable user experience. Under the hood, you'll find a MediaTek octa-core processor paired with 4 gigabytes of RAM, ensuring smooth performance for everyday tasks. With 64 gigabytes of storage, you'll have ample space for apps, photos, and more. Conclusion. To wrap up, the TCL K33 5G prepaid smartphone offers exceptional value for its price. With its large display, capable cameras, long-lasting battery, and robust performance, it's a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable 5G device without breaking the bank. If you're interested in purchasing the TCL K33 5G, you can find it at Verizon Prepaid stores for $39.99. Don't forget to check out Straight Talk for their prepaid plans starting at $25 per month, offering unlimited talk and text with varying data options. StraightTalk.com. Outro. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech reviews and tips. Check out our other videos on budget smartphones and other tech-related videos. See you in the next one.